Question number 3. To conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. Shown in given figure 7.12. Niharika runs 1/4 distance of AD on second line and posts a green flag. At the same time, Preet runs on 8th line and covers 1/5 distance of AD and posts a red flag. You have to find out the distance between both the flags, and if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? That means in the question it is given to you, they used chalk powder to draw the lines in x-axis. In y-axis they have kept the flower pots which is having 1 meter distance each, that only given. And Niharika runs on the second line and covers 1/4 of AD distance and posts a green flag there. Then next character Preet runs on 8th line and covers 1/5 of distance AD and posts a red flag there. Your question is, what is the distance between these two flags? By distance formula, we can find out the distance of GR. So let us see. First, we will find out the distance of AD. How many flower pots kept over here? 100 pots. So each pot distance is 1 meter. So we can take that the distance of AD is what? 100 meter. So write it first. Niharika runs on second line and covers 1/4 of distance AD. That is, I am taking 100. So you will get what? 20. So that the coordinate point of G is second line, running on second line. This is given in x-axis. So second line and covers 25 meters. So that's why written 25. The coordinates of the G point is 2, 25. The same way I am going to find out the coordinate point of R also. He is running on the 8th line and covers how much? 1/5 of the distance. So write it here. Preet runs on 8th line and covers 1/5 of AD distance, that is 100. So you will get it is 20 times. So we can get the coordinate point of R running on 8th line, that's why 8 in x-axis, and y-axis what is the distance covered? 20 meters, so 20. So 8, 20 is the coordinate of R point. I have to find out the distance between these 2 points. They have asked you, that's why. The first one, a distance of GR, which is equal to under root, you know the distance formula, x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. So you have to write it by distance formula. You have to write here by distance formula. What is the G coordinate? Tell me. 2 and 25. What is the R coordinate? That is 8 and 20. Mark it x1, y1, x2, y2. Apply it in the formula. x1 minus x2 the whole square, that is 2 minus 8 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square, that is 25 minus 20 the whole square. That means under root 2 minus 8, that is minus 6 whole square, plus 25 minus 20, that is 5 square. So you will get minus 6 whole square 36, 5 square, that is 25. So you will get 61 under root 61. That is the distance between these 2 points, that is G and R. Go for the second question, that is second part of this question. They asked you the coordinate point of B also. Rashmi posted the blue flag exactly halfway of G and R. So we can write it here. B is midpoint of GR. Why I am telling midpoint? This is halfway given to you. Exactly halfway of GR. That's why I have written midpoint. Okay. So for G and R, you write the coordinate points of G and R. G is 2 and 25. R is 8 and 20. Mark it what is x1, y1, x2, y2. Midpoint formula you should know that. A midpoint formula I am telling now, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2. y1 plus y2 upon 2. Why I have written this one? I have to find out the midpoint of these 2 points. That means x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Add these 2 points upon 2. Let us see. So you can write it here. x1 plus x2, that is 2 plus 8, that is what? 10 upon 2. Like y1 plus y2, that is 25 plus 20, that is 45 upon 2. So you can write it here. The B point coordinates are 10 upon 2, that is 5, and this is 45 upon 2, as it is you can keep. So the B coordinates are 5, 45 upon 2. At last we have to write the answer in statements. So I am writing here GR distance is root 61 meter. You have to mention the unit here because it is given in meter, that's why. Then second, the B point coordinates are 5, 45 upon 2, that is you can write it 22.5. That is your answer. Thank you.